Hello guys, Melly here or Condos here. And today we're gonna play I Am a Cat. Alright. So, we have all the maps. But I think I'm gonna choose Granny's house because I just like it. Alright, so here's Granny. So today we are gonna cook. So we are gonna cook chicken. Hope it's not too raw or too so let's just see how we can make it. So chicken. Oh, gonna make this one because she takes too much to eat too. So we're just gonna do one. Alright. So let's go and let's put it here and now. So I don't know. I'm gonna make this. It's gonna make Melly is gonna make more VR videos. But we'll see if I can. I'm gonna do I'm a Cat videos if I can do more VR videos. I'm gonna do I'm a Cat. Okay, she's going at the defeat, so it's perfect. Throw it. Are you ready, Granny? I hope you are, because we're gonna feed you chicken. Alright, we're gonna put it on. I still don't stay. Alright, this is Granny. I hope you like it. Mostly like it, okay? Eat. Alright, she loves. We're gonna cook more for you. Alright, I don't know what I'm gonna cook more for her. Whatever I'm gonna give. Eat! Why did you spit it? Oh my god, ew. It was so gross. Yeah, I'm ready. And I can't go. So we're just gonna give it to her. If we can try, but I'm gonna try to give her the bone to she can eat it. Because if she can, I'm gonna be really happy. Please, thanks. Alright, now let's try the bone. Hope she can eat it. Let's try it, huh? Oh my god. Grandma, you're stupid or something. Come on. Alright, we can't eat the bone. Now let's see what we can give her. Oh, maybe sausages. Gonna do one. I'm gonna do them in the microwave. Actually, no more cooking. I just wanna break lasers or something to make her angry. And turn her into a cat. So next video we will make babies, I guess, if I can. But now we're gonna turn her a kitty cat. Kitty cat. Alright, so first, alright, I'm just gonna remove this dentures because kitties don't have this dentures, this type. No, Grammy, spit it. My brain said spit it out. I don't know. No, oh my god. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna try from this. Alright, you, Grandma. Alright, stay here. Or you will wake up. Hope she doesn't wake up. So, kitties, like this. So, we're gonna put her this one's. Alright, now we can. Oh, right. For the face. The whiskers. And now, and the last thing we're gonna give her is the ears that I know how I'm gonna make them. Like, I already did it one time, and I'm just gonna do it how I did it the other time. Alright, so here it is. Here's the shaver. And now let's go and kill Rainbow because she still needs the ears, and that's why we kill her. Alright, so I feel like she's missing something. Oh, I know what she's missing. The cat food. Right, now we need the lip. This is the middle. So just gonna give it a little puff to just remember where is it. And now we are gonna show you how to do the ears. Oh, first of all, maybe you can play with that because you're gonna be a cat. Well, now we have to turn Grandma's head because I have to do the middle too. Here. Alright, I don't know if this gonna look as good, but yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna remove some right here. This. Alright, no. Okay. Alright, stay here again. I'm just gonna feed you. So your turn. So now you eat this. Not your chicken anymore. Chew.